Hello friends, welcome back. Today we're going to test for truthiness. So here it says is true, and it says this will pass the Boolean. Okay, I'll just start from the beginning. Is true will test if the Boolean value true, and is not true will pass when given anything but the Boolean value of true. So here assert is true. Well, true will pass because pass with the Boolean value of true. Assert is true, a string with true in it. This will not pass because the string value of true. And at 1, this will not pass with a value of 1. So yeah, it's just testing to see whether or not that it's an actual true. So if false and if not false also exist and behave similarly to their true counterparts, except they look for the Boolean value of false. So we want to use is true or is not true to make the tests pass. So we'll come back over to our REPL.it. Now if you haven't seen this, I'm going to stop the server now just so we're ready to go. If you haven't seen this, the way that we've set this up, I encourage you to go to the first video where I set this up. But yeah, basically we're going to one unit test, and we're going to slide down here to our is true account or values. And so here we have an assert fail, which is going to make our test fail for sure. And what we want to do is say is true for here. Well, the first parameter is the one that we want to calculate, and so saying is true true? Yes, so is true here. And so here a double negation with a string. Double negation of a truthy is true. So this is going to actually render out to be true. Let me show you how to test for this. So here, if we were to throw this into REPL, we're going to see that turns into a true, and so that's how we can see. Now if it's just did so yeah, if we did that equal to true, we're gonna get that's true as well. And so double negation is actually true, so this one is true. And then here we have a object value, and so if we I don't know, if we paste this in here, it's just gonna read it back to us. And I think if we go true, it's going to be false, but that doesn't mean that it's not truthy. A truthy object is not true. Neither is false. Wow, okay. So it's not neither false nor true, but at the end of the day, it is not true. So we can say is not true. All right, so let's run this. So right now, we need to stop our server and turn it back on so that we can run these tests. If we kind of scroll up through here, we can see that we've passed all these basic assertions now. This is true one. Because this green check marks here, I'm confident that it's going to pass the tests. So now I just copy the URL with our server running, and I bring it over here and paste it in to get this guy, and that should pass the tests. Awesome. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. We'll see you in the next lesson.